Hi little angels, how are you? Once again, what is in front of us? J, small j, capital J. J. What is the sound of J? J. And which picture is this? Jug. I hope everyone has seen jug in their kitchen. Mama is putting water in it, right? So, what is the sound of this alphabet? J. J, jug. So, today we will learn how to write J. Let's start. Once again with the pattern in front of you. Earlier for G, we already have learned this pattern. Again pattern for J also. Let's start. What we will do, like apple, for apple we are making a tail. Same pattern, and then come down towards the third line. Again I draw for you. Up, down. Again I draw for you. Up, down. Now why I draw in a 3 pattern? Now I tell you. Here what you have seen, what children are doing, when they draw like this, they make a circle and they come down. It is not the correct pattern. You have to make a beak. You have to make a beak. You have seen a bird, crow, pigeon. So many birds are flying, right? So they are having a beak. So for J, we will make a beak. Okay? Not curve like this. This is wrong. Okay? And this is right. Let's start. Up, make a beak, down, and make a long loop. Touch the third line. 1, 2, 3. Right? And then cross it. Very simple. Once again I write for you. Make a slanting line towards, upwards. Come down, make a beak and then come down. Make a beak and then come down. Touch the line and then cross and put one dot on the top. Which alphabet is this? J. Once again, without line I write for you as we have done. A, B. All of you speak with me. K, D, A, F, G, H, E. And what we have done today? Yes, come on, all of you speak. J. Which alphabet is this? J. J, how we have written? I draw the lines so that everything, the concept of written work will be clear to you. J. Which alphabet we have done today? J. Which alphabet we have done today? J. Now, what we will do? We will play little game. How we will play? I tell you now. What we will do? Let me erase this. Okay. Let me erase this alphabet also. Let me erase this alphabet also. Okay. Let me erase this alphabet also. Right? Let me erase this alphabet also. Now, what Mama will do? She put dots there. Now, what Mama will say? Bacche, you have to read the alphabets and you have to write down the missing one. Missing means which is not visible here. you are not able to see that alphabet. So the child will see and find out, Mama, where is A? So let me write. Let the child write A. And parents, you give them a big star. The child has written A. Now A is done. B. Next alphabet is Mama K. Let the child write K. Again big star. Okay. A. B. K. D. A. Oh my God. 4 is missing. Let the child write 4. Mama will give big star. G. And next alphabet which? Child has forgotten. Mama, I don't know. Let the child revise again. A. B. K. D. A. F. G. H. Wow! Let the child write her. H. E. And which alphabet is missing? J. Okay. This way you make a worksheet with the practice of J, and the child will be very good and he or she will recognize the alphabet very nicely. So children, which alphabet we have done today? J. Always speak sounds. Don't say J for jug. No, J. Okay. So do practice of this worksheet with what is the name of this worksheet? Write the missing alphabet. Until then, wait for my next video. Do practice very nicely. Bye-bye.